Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire cash how to get more points. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to get more points, what you need to do is first play fast. In Solitaire cash, time is a factor in scoring. The quicker you finish the game, the more points you earn. And avoid unnecessary moves and always look for the best options immediately. Second is to move cards to the foundation quickly. Start with the aces and twos and complete foundation stacks. Third is to use stockpile wisely, drop cards when necessary and don't overuse the stockpile. Number fourth is to keep columns organized. Clear empty columns as freeing column gives you more flexibility, and then make sure the cards in your table are arranged in alternating column. Number fifth is to plan your moves. Think ahead and use kings wisely and then minimize moves. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.